What's up, boys? Yes, sir. This is Tommy Lemaire?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. We're going for a ride. What car is this?
That's a S15 with a V8 supercharged with nitrous.
Oh my god. Hell yeah. Let's go, boys. They're gonna freak out, dude.
Roll racing begins at 1:30. Roll racing begins at 1:30 today.
Oh, let's go. Hell yeah! Move out the way! Oh my god, this is so good. That was insane. Oh my god. Holy shit. That has so much more acceleration than I thought ever, dude.
Yeah?
Talk about the grip, too.
If you want, wait, I'm gonna open the nitrous.
Okay, okay. He's opening the nitrous. Oh, he's got the cooling suit on. That's cool. Oh, shit's about to get real, boys. Holy shit. It's gonna be more intense now, huh? Oh my god. It's a dream come true right now. Oh shit, dude. Oh my god. Oh, Oh,